Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial for the crochet ear protector, especially when you are wearing a crochet mask. So as you all know, in the current times, the people who are wearing the face mask for long hours, they are having problem with the ears because of the elastic that is tied around the ears for a long duration. So this will, to an extent, reduce the pain and the stress that is there on the ears. So this is a very easy project. You can do it in 2 minutes. You can donate, you can make, you can just distribute it to whoever is in need of this. So for this particular project, I am going to use a 4mm crochet hook and a cotton yarn. For this particular project, it is preferable if you can find a cotton yarn, because this, after one use, you have to wash it at very high temperature. So acrylic yarn may not last. Cotton is preferable if you can find cotton. If you don't have a 4mm crochet hook, you can very well use a 5 or 5.5mm crochet hook and a thicker cotton yarn. I will be saying how you can adjust this with a 5 or 5.5mm crochet hook. Apart from this, you will need a scissors, you will need 2 buttons of course, and a needle and a thread. So these are the things that you would require. I have already done a crochet mask. If you are interested, I'll link that in the description box. Now we'll see how to make this. So here we'll start with a slip knot. So this is how I like to make my slip knot. First I'll make an X and then pull my yarn. And next I'm going to make chain stitches. So here I'm going to make 21 chain stitch. So this is how you do your chain stitch. If you are not very familiar with the basic stitches, I will put a link in the description box. You can check the basic stitches. So here I am going to make 21 chain stitch. If you are using a 5mm or 5.5mm crochet hook, you might need to make only 18 chain stitch. So I'll make 21 and then we'll start. So here I have made 21 chain stitch, and if I have to measure this is going to measure about 4.5 inches, or it is around 11 and a half centimeters. So that is the length that I'm looking for. Depending on your crochet hook size and the yarn, this might change. So you just make about 4.5 inch long chain stitch. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the first 2 stitches. You can see it. These are the first 2 stitches, and I'll skip the first 2 stitches, and then in the third stitch, these are the 2 stitches. In the third stitch, I am going to put a half double crochet. So for half double crochet, I'll have to yarn over, and then in the third stitch, I'm going to insert my hook. I'll pull up a loop. I have 3 loops in my hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So this is my first half double crochet. I'll go to the next stitch, insert my hook, and then do a half double crochet. So like this, I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in every stitch in this particular row. All right, so insert the hook and do a half double crochet like this. Come to the next stitch. First of all, you have to yarn over, then insert your hook in just the first strand. If you see it like this, you have a V. So I'm going to insert it on only the topmost yarn of that V stitch and pull through all the 3 loops. So like this, I will complete 1 half double crochet on every stitch of this row. So here I have made 1 half double crochet in every stitch. I have just the very last stitch remaining. So in the very last stitch, that is here, I'm going to put 4 half double crochet. That is, I'm going to put 4 half double crochet in the very last stitch. So for that, yarn over, insert your hook, and then do a half double crochet. This is my first half double crochet. Again, I'm going to do a half double crochet. So yarn over, and the same, the very last stitch, insert and do a half double crochet. This is my second one. Again, insert your hook and do a half double crochet. This is my third stitch, and 1 more. So this makes my 4 half double crochet. So you have to make 4 half double crochet in the very last stitch. Now we'll just turn it and then put half double crochet on this side. All right, So this last stitch is over. Come to the next stitch. So for that, yarn over. Here if you see it, you have one kind of a, you will have a small loop. So insert that, take this yarn along with you and then do a half double crochet like this. You just take this yarn along with you so that you don't have to weave in later. So again yarn over, come to the next stitch. See if you see a gap, there is a gap, small gap here. So insert your hook here, all right, and then complete a half double crochet. Like that you have to make one half double crochet in every stitch in the opposite side. So I'll just show you without this one. Yarn over. Here if you see this, here this is the place, one half double crochet has gone here. So in the opposite side I'm going to place my half double crochet. Like that I will make one half double crochet in every stitch in the opposite side also till I reach the second last stitch. Please complete making one half double crochet stitches. So here I have a half double crochet over every stitch, and in the very last stitch, that is just before the chain 2 starts, in that last stitch here if you see it, you have to make 3 half double crochet. So this is my very last stitch. So in this I'm going to make 3 half double crochet, 1 in the same stitch, 2, and you might have to do one more, that is 3. So here you have 3 half double crochet in the stitches, and here you can just slip stitch in the chain 2 that you have. You slip stitch here and then finish it off, because the chain 2 we will count as a 1 half double crochet. So this finishes our row. I'll just cut it, just take a little bit and then cut it out. So this completes my project. Now I'll have to sew this ends, and here you can use 2 buttons. You can use a normal needle and thread and attach these buttons. You can also sew in the ends. I'll just show you how I'm going to do that. So for sewing in, I'm taking a darning needle and just pass the yarn through this. Now just randomly you go through the various stitches. So you can just pass your needle through a couple of stitches here and then pull out this yarn. So it just hides the yarn. So this is how you can complete it. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just sew in the buttons also, that I'll do it off camera. All right. So here I have attached the buttons, and this is how this looks. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was helpful, please hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, bye. Thank you for watching.